Warren Buffett's 6-month success plan.
The first rule in investment is don't lose. And the second rule in investment is don't forget the first rule, and that's all the rules there are. I mean, if you buy things for far below what they're worth, and you buy a group of them, you basically don't lose money.
From poor to prosperous overnight. Warren Buffett once highlighted the contrast between successful and unsuccessful people, emphasizing that successful individuals develop habits that others avoid. He stressed the impact of habits on both personal well-being and financial outcomes, noting that unrecognized negative financial habits often hinder wealth accumulation. Buffett advocated replacing bad money habits with positive ones as the key to increasing wealth. Despite his substantial wealth, Buffett lives modestly, residing in a home bought decades ago and preferring practicality over extravagance, such as opting for regular transportation and enjoying simple pastimes like playing bridge. His journey towards wealth began early, with him selling various items door to door as a child and cultivating a lifelong love of reading, particularly on investments. Buffett's enduring success is attributed not just to his business acumen but also to his disciplined financial lifestyle and keen market insights, which he shares to guide others towards financial prosperity. In this video, we want to focus on the money habits Warren Buffett actively employs. Buffett emphasizes that cultivating healthy money habits can form the bedrock of wealth, regardless of your current financial status. The first habit he stresses is smart spending. While it might seem basic, Buffett points out that over 65% of people struggle with managing money effectively. He advises against spending money you haven't yet earned and suggests evaluating purchases not just in terms of their price tag but also in terms of the hours of work they represent. For instance, if you earn $4,000 a month and want to buy a $40,000 Tesla, consider whether it's worth 10 months of your labor. Buffett also encourages meticulous planning for both income and expenses, regardless of your income level. As he puts it, the problem with $1 million is that it's a lot of money. You have to manage it carefully, or it will slip away without your realizing where it went. The second habit focuses on making money work for you rather than letting it sit idle. Buffett warns against the erosion of savings due to inflation and suggests that, at minimum, money should be kept in an interest-bearing savings account that outpaces inflation. However, merely saving isn't enough to build wealth. One must invest. Buffett advises understanding investment mechanisms thoroughly before diving in, recommending daily reading and learning about stocks instead of passive social media use. He highlights the potential for substantial returns from investments like those in tech giants like Facebook and Google, underscoring the dual benefit of learning and earning. Before we continue, we want to ask you to support this video and give it a thumbs up. After all, your activity can help more people learn about this useful financial information. Moving to the third habit, Buffett advocates for working in unconventional environments. Despite his status, Buffett prefers assessing global markets from places like McDonald's rather than a traditional office, believing unique perspectives foster innovative problem solving. He draws parallels to Albert Einstein, who formulated groundbreaking theories while working at the Swiss Patent Office, not in a typical academic setting. Buffett argues that unconventional working conditions free one from conventional thinking, enabling fresh insights and the synthesis of diverse ideas. He encourages curiosity, exploration of obscure topics, and studying where others haven't, emphasizing that such approaches yield truly valuable contributions. Warren Buffett's financial wisdom is renowned for its simplicity and depth. He argues that many people hinder their path to wealth by making common financial mistakes that can be easily avoided. Here are some of these pitfalls and Buffett's advice on overcoming them. 1. Neglecting personal development. Buffett believes the best investment you can make is in yourself. Upgrading skills and obtaining quality education can significantly boost your earning potential. Employers value knowledgeable individuals who require minimal training, making competence a valuable asset whether you're employed or self-employed. 2. Using credit cards. Many fall into the trap of relying on credit cards for purchases they can't afford outright. Buffett warns against this due to the high interest rates that can quickly accumulate if payments are missed. Avoiding credit card debt not only prevents overspending but also frees up funds for more meaningful investments like education. 3. Chasing the latest technology. While new gadgets are tempting, Buffett advises assessing their necessity. Often, existing technology serves perfectly well, making upgrades unnecessary expenses that can be better allocated towards wealth-building activities. 4. Excessive spending on dining out and entertainment. Buffett suggests curbing expenses at restaurants and bars, as these indulgences can drain finances unnecessarily. Instead, opting for home-based socializing can maintain emotional well-being without the financial strain. Warren Buffett advises against unnecessary expenses such as designer clothing, unused gym memberships, and excessive subscription services. He advocates for simplicity in wardrobe choices, practical fitness solutions like home workouts, and careful management of subscription renewals to avoid unnecessary charges. Buffett also discourages buying new cars, recommending used vehicles to minimize costs and emphasizing the importance of considering ongoing maintenance expenses. By avoiding these financial pitfalls, individuals can allocate their resources more wisely towards achieving long-term financial stability and goals. By avoiding these financial traps, Buffett believes individuals can allocate their resources more effectively towards long-term financial security and goals. Warren Buffett, celebrated as one of history's greatest investors, offers insights not only into practical financial strategies but also into essential personal qualities for achieving true wealth. He stresses the importance of cultivating healthy financial habits, emphasizing the habit of saving before spending. Buffett advises setting up automatic savings deductions and using tools to monitor spending, underscoring the wisdom of never risking what you need for what you want. He advocates keeping a portion of wealth in cash, a strategy he employs with Berkshire Hathaway, despite conventional financial advice favoring investments. Buffett likens cash to business stability, vital like oxygen, particularly highlighted during economic crises. He emphasizes prudent financial management, especially crucial for those with irregular income. He cautions against unnecessary borrowing, warning that debt from credit cards, loans, and mortgages can spiral out of control, leading to financial ruin. Buffett advocates meticulous attention to small expenses, a trait he values highly, as seen in his scrutiny of everyday costs like toilet paper during business acquisitions. In China, he even used coupons to save money at McDonald's. Buffett encourages long-term thinking, advising against chasing quick gains and instead focusing on steady, decade-long strategies for building wealth and securing financial futures, whether for education, retirement, or other long-term goals. Read extensively about finances so that each night you go to bed more knowledgeable than when you woke up in the morning. As an investor, Buffett places a strong emphasis on reducing risk and expenses while emphasizing that the largest danger faced by the typical person is financial ignorance. He advocates continuous learning about money to enhance financial literacy and improve money management skills, regardless of wealth. While acknowledging the role of material possessions in happiness, Buffett warns against excessive accumulation, which he believes can lead to a loss of personal freedom. He values health and friendships highly, seeing them as crucial components of a meaningful life. Buffett's bold decision to seek mentorship from Benjamin Graham at Geico early in his career exemplifies his belief in seizing opportunities, underscoring the importance of making tough, strategic decisions for long-term success. Before going to bed, successful individuals meticulously plan their next steps, a practice often neglected by those struggling financially. It involves listing crucial tasks for the morning to progress towards goals. Reflecting on daily achievements and making adjustments are essential parts of this routine. By creating a clear roadmap each night, both mentally and on paper, one sets themselves up for consistent progress and eventual success. This disciplined approach ensures readiness and clarity, offering a path towards achieving lasting success.